back to my channel. I'm back with another video. This is a gaming mouse and keyboard combo. Today we are gonna unbox this amazing combo from Zebronics. Its model name is Zebronics Transformer and its tagline as Gamer's Dream. So let's unbox this premium gaming keyboard and mouse combo now. Coming to the Coming to the features, it's given on the side of the box. The keyboard comes with integrated hotkeys, braided cable and 104 keys with made up of aluminum body. And coming to the mouse, we have got DPI settings, 3 different DPI settings, USB interface, gold plated USB and 6 button mouse. Bottom of the box we have got some features of the wired gaming keyboard and mouse written in text. So there are also instructions for installing the keyboard and mouse layout with rupee font. I don't know what this rupee font is. Let's check it out. As it is given, it is imported by Zebronics India Private. Zebronics is an Indian company, therefore no worries. Here it's traded as Zebronics Transformer. It's always printed as in this 3D and looking out design which stands out from the case. So let's come and unbox this gaming beast. So to unbox this, first we have got to remove these flaps from over here, and later we have to remove these flaps. This is my first time unboxing this keyboard and let's see how it goes. So while we unbox this keyboard, we have got on the instruction manual of this keyboard and we have got the keyboard beneath. Let's read this instruction manual if you need it for future use. We have got some terms and conditions from Zebronics which we usually don't read. So this is the mighty gaming keyboard from Zebronics Transformer. Let's put it aside and now let's see what we have got in the mouse compartment. We have got a braided cable with mouse. This is a fully LED RGB mouse with the DPI, 3 other DPI settings. We have got the USB. We can just change the DPI settings with this DPI button. Now let's put this box aside and check out the more features about this combo. So this mouse has got 3 buttons over here and 2 buttons to click over here. This is a pretty much great mouse for beginner gamers and it gets to in my grip very soon. And you will be very happy if you buy this. So let's put it aside and we have got the Beast gaming keyboard. This gaming keyboard is surrounded by some thermocol packaging and comes in this cover. This is a total aluminum finish. As you can see, it's shining like a star. This is an aluminum finished body which is a very sturdy one. You can also see in the zoom. So this is the aluminum plain finish, steel finish which comes in Zebronics Transformer keyboard, and you can see the key lights are just elevated like this, which makes it a futuristic design. Let me switch on this and show you how the RGB goes in the next one. This keyboard comes with a braided cable which helps you to manage your cable easily, which helps not to tore out it easily. So on the back side we have got 2 steps for heightening or raising our keyboard. We have got 2 steps over here which we can use, and we have got the Zebronics branding over here which you can see here. And that's about this keyboard. We have got detachable keys which can be detached if you want, and we have got the RGB button control, and that's a lot of keyboard things for this price. This is a great price for a gaming beginner keyboard, and this is a great combo for gamers who want to just begin their career in esports or YouTube or live streaming. This mouse also has a rubber pad over here which gives it smoothing tight grip which allows you to shoot your enemies with precision. So guys, overall this keyboard is all okay and good for use for beginners, but I wouldn't recommend this for pros. So this was the video. Let's go. This was the video guys, hope you guys enjoyed it. Like, share and subscribe to my channel for more updates on tech. Please do like, share guys. I am seeing 60% of you are not subscribing to my channel and just watching the video and going away. Please do subscribe, that gives me support and gives me will to make more videos like this. Till then, subscribe and bye.